In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create coupons in Woocommerce. Woocommerce is an open-source e-commerce plugin for WordPress. Many e-commerce websites on WordPress use Woocommerce. If you want to start your own e-commerce website, then Woocommerce is one plugin that will help you get started very quickly. We have a video explaining how to install Woocommerce in WordPress. You can check it out. I'll link it in the description below. In this video, I'll show you how to create coupons in Woocommerce. To do this, in your dashboard, go to Woocommerce, then click on Coupons. Click here to add a new coupon. Enter the coupon name, or you can generate a coupon by clicking here. The description is optional. Now, under Coupon Data, we'll configure the coupon. First, under the General settings, select the discount type. It could be a fixed cart discount, a percentage discount, or a product discount. Then enter the coupon amount here. If you want to allow free shipping with this coupon, you can enable it here. And here you can add the coupon expiration date. Next, under Usage Restriction, set the minimum amount a customer has to spend to use this coupon. Here, you can set the maximum amount for this coupon. Make sure to check this box so that this coupon cannot be used in conjunction with other coupons. And you can check this box so the coupon is excluded from the products that are on sale. Next, here you can add products that the coupon will be applied to or need to be in the cart for the coupon to be applied. Similarly, here you can exclude the products that the coupon cannot be applied to. Next is the usage limit option. Select the usage limit of the coupon. Here, select the maximum number of items this coupon can apply to, or leave it blank if it applies to all items. And here you can set the limit for the user. Then click on Publish. This is how you can create coupons in Woocommerce. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.